Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the limited account restriction on Steam. Have you been trying to add friends, use the community market, or access certain Steam features only to discover that your account is still marked as a limited account? It can be frustrating when Steam restricts features that many users take for granted. The good news is that removing the limited account restriction is usually straightforward once you know what Steam requires. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove the limited account restriction on Steam. First, open the Steam application on your computer and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile name in the top right corner of the Steam window. From the drop-down menu, select Account Details. This page displays important information about your Steam account, including your purchase history and account status. On the Account Details page, check whether your account is still limited. If it is, Steam will usually display information indicating that certain features are restricted until you've spent at least $5 or the equivalent amount in your local currency through Steam. To remove the restriction, you'll need to make a qualifying purchase. One of the easiest methods is to add funds to your Steam wallet. While still in the Account Details section, look for the Add Funds to Your Steam Wallet option and click it. You'll be taken to a page where you can choose an amount to add. Select an amount that meets or exceeds the minimum requirement and complete the payment process using your preferred payment method. Another option is to purchase a game, DLC, software, or other eligible content directly from the Steam store. Click the Store tab at the top of the Steam window, browse for an item you'd like to buy, and complete the purchase. As long as your total qualifying spending reaches the required amount, your account will become unrestricted. After completing your purchase, return to Account Details and verify that the transaction appears in your account history. In most cases, Steam updates your account status automatically once the payment has been processed successfully. However, it may take several hours for the restriction to be removed, so don't worry if the change isn't immediate. It's also important to know what does not count toward removing the restriction. Simply activating a game key, receiving a game as a gift, playing free-to-play games, or using funds earned from community market sales will not unlock a limited account. Steam requires a qualifying purchase made directly through its platform. Once the restriction is removed, you'll gain access to features such as adding friends, participating more fully in the Steam community, using certain market functions, and other account capabilities that are unavailable to limited accounts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.